Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel for this brand new ranking. Many of you don't know yet about the folding electric bikes. A bike is not necessarily the tiring means of transportation that we're used to seeing everywhere. However, when we talk about electric bikes, you probably think of a mini scooter on which teenagers ride, right? But think again. There are all kinds of electric bikes with different functionalities. And that's exactly what we're going to see in today's ranking. Before we tell you more, be nice and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now that you're a subscriber, you have the privilege to discover our new publications before everyone else. Also, by activating that notification bell, you won't miss our best high-tech rankings. Let's start with this electric bike that has some interesting features to discover. Being an electric bike, it is equipped with a 240 watt motor, or 36V. If you like speed and moderation, this bike is made for you. It can indeed reach a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. As for its inclination, it offers an angle of 15 degrees. This bike has a 10Ah36 rechargeable lithium battery. This ensures at the same time a great autonomy. So, if you like short rides, the DYU will take you up to 40 kilometers away from your home. Plus, as you might have guessed, it's foldable and has an adjustable seat. So there's nothing to worry about. Whatever your size, you'll be comfortable on this bike. As a result, you can take it on the subway, the bus, or in a car. It offers a speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour and a maximum incline of 25 degrees. The motorbike displays 250 watts of power of 36 volts. The headway contains a lithium battery which is removable. You'll be free to ride without it if you feel like it. This battery comes in 7.5 Ah36V. This represents a range of 45 kilometers of use. You'll have a time to enjoy a good ride without getting too tired. You will have understood it, this bicycle proposes two modes of operation. To summarize, one thus has the electric mode and the moped mode. Whatever your size, the seat remains adjustable. This will also give you the possibility to drive more comfortably. Small bonus on this model, you have an electric control system to give you more space of mind about your safety when using it. We continue with this e-bike with only 25 kilos. The same bike is a thrifty electric bike that contains a removable lithium-ion battery of 48 volt 10Ah. Thanks to its battery, the bike gains enough power to start fast climbs. And if you're worried about the battery overcharging, the same bike contains a protection device against that. What you'll appreciate more is the fact that the bike does not vibrate while riding. The front fork spring has the ability to dampen shocks. If you often ride on rocky trails, this will be quite convenient. In addition, the folding frame and adjustable handlebars are made entirely of aluminum alloy. This guarantees you a real solidity. On the braking side, we are not disappointed to find a double disc EBS. This means you'll be able to brake safely, even when going at maximum speed of 25 kilometers. In addition to the 7 speeds available, you'll also have a USB charging phone holder. Now let's go to the Ancheer. It has a foldable frame made of aluminum alloy. Its lightness will allow you to take it really anywhere. Moreover, it increases its aerodynamics. Easy to store, it will fit easily in the trunk of your car. As for the fork, it is designed with high resistance carbon steel. This will allow you to be more confident about the endurance. For those of you who enjoy late night rides, these headlights designed with bright LEDs will guarantee your most safety on the road. And if that's not enough, use the bell. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery of the Ancheer is made of lithium ion. Moreover, it comes with a smart lithium battery charger. The battery voltage of this bike is 36V at 8Ah. With a fully charged battery, you have the chance to ride up to 50 kilometers per hour. The 7 speeds that bike offers will allow you to climb hills without too much difficulty. Let's keep up the good work by telling you about the NCM. It is, in fact, equipped with a high-performance lithium battery. Moreover, it is removable for you who like to test the endurance limits from time to time. It is equipped with a 540 Wh and a 15 Ah high-quality D-Hawk battery. The autonomy is rather standard. You'll have a chance to ride at least 40 kilometers without pedaling an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. There's a little bonus for those who like to take pictures and make calls while pedaling. Indeed, you will have the possibility to charge your smartphone with the integrated USB port. The frame of this model is made of aluminum. In addition to the frame, the stem, the saddle, and the pedals are also foldable. When you use the NCM, you will have the chance to enjoy 6 levels of assistance. For those of you who like precision on your rides, this bike is for you. On the other hand, budget-wise, it is not cheap. As folding electric bikes go, the Engwe deserves a place among the best. It is in fact a high-performance bike with 48V motor. Its battery is removable 48V/12.8A lithium battery. You will also have the opportunity to use a bike with a mileage higher than 40 kilometers. The frame of this electric bike is made of 6061 aluminum alloy. You will also have your disposal a front suspension fork with a mechanical lock. The seat and handlebars are of course adjustable to maximize your comfort during your rides. We really appreciate the little touches that add a bit of safety to this bike. For example, with this bike, you have the front and rear disc brakes. This will allow you to stop safely no matter how fast you're going. As for the transmission system, it has a total of 7 speeds. This gives you more riding time. And now, let's zoom in on the Ride66, which has a lot of surprises for you in store. For starters, it is equipped with a dual battery. The main one is a 12.8 Ah LG cell battery. The spare battery is 10 Ah. Not only does it have a greater autonomy, but it is also more reassuring in case of failure. As for the motor, it offers level 5 speed limitation. So if you tend to drive too fast, you'll still be safe. This model is comfortable and practical. For added safety, the frame is made of aluminum alloy. This represents more lightness with nevertheless much solidarity. With this bike, you'll have access to 3 operating modes, one of which is fully electric, another in pedaling assistance mode, and one last mode with non-assisted mode. The last one will allow you to put your legs to the test. And that's it, folks. We've reached the end of our ranking. We hope you enjoyed it. But tell us, which electric bike is your favorite on this entire list? Tell us in the comments. On the other hand, if you're still not subscribed to our channel, go ahead, subscribe. And above all, click on that notification bell to discover other high-tech products very soon. Thanks, and see you soon.